Hey, what is up guys? Back at again with a brand new video. And so today, once again, we are doing something that has not been done before, that is creative and original and all that stuff. If you guys haven't seen my past videos that are kind of similar to this, it's kind of like a little series, I guess. I have made a Supreme wiffle ball bat, graduation cap, swimming pool, and the most recent, I have made 2 Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo t-shirts for only $1 each. But what is going to be different about this one is not only are we making a Supreme toaster, but we're sending it over to one of my favorite YouTubers, Connortv. If you guys haven't seen him before, his link to his channel will be right down below, but I'm sure you have. If you haven't, like I said, you guys are missing out. But I got this idea because I was going to send him something else, like a mystery box kind of thing, but someone had done that. And we already know over here, we don't do the same thing as everyone else. And then I looked over and I remembered I had this toaster and I was like, you know what? We can make a toaster. I was originally just gonna spray paint it for him and whatever. But then I remembered that he covered his car in Supreme stickers. And I was like, well, why don't we cover the toaster with Supreme stickers? The other thing that wanted me to send this to him, especially right now, is because both of our birthdays are coming up very, very soon. September 23rd. But our birthdays are coming up very, very soon. It's the same day. And I don't know, I thought it'd be kind of cool to send him over something that I had made, because everything that I've made I've just kind of kept for myself in a way. Now, because that one is all spray painted and just kind of a disaster, we're gonna go over to Target right now, pick up a new one so we can cover it in Supreme stickers. Now, the only challenge is I have about 14 Supreme stickers, I think. So we really have to hope that that's enough. If it isn't, I don't know what we're gonna do, but that's what we have. But as for right now, we need to go up to Target so we can get a brand new toaster. Quick little fit of the day. Peep it, peep it. We got the skate high Vans. I know, I'm not wearing my white Ultra Boosts. I know. I'm changing it up for you guys. Got the skate highs right here, some PacSun light wash jeans, just a NBA Charlotte Hornets shirt right here.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now we've got our little starter right here. We've got our Supreme stickers, we got our toaster, and I'm not gonna do this like centered, like I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be like kind of off to the side and like kind of like a brick pattern in a way. So right now I'm just gonna try and figure out where I want the first sticker to go, and the reason I have this is because on the side where the knob is and where the thing is that you push down, I want to make sure that there's like a hole here so that this can go up and down, because otherwise, you know, it wouldn't be functional. All right, so I've made the decision. I'm going to start on the bottom right here and just kind of go around. It will run into the knob, but I will cut as we go. Alright, well, as you guys can see, that is not the easiest process for sure. I did mess up a little bit right here, but at this point I'm almost questioning if I should take it off and try with a different piece. I think that might be better, so I think I'm gonna try that. Alright, so what I did is I took the template and I stuck the old sticker onto it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and then I will be able to put the sticker back on. These stickers are really sticky anyway, so like I'm not too worried about it falling off. Now, once again, we are at a tricky spot right here because we have this hole in here so that this can go up and down like so. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to put the sticker on and I'm gonna push it in as much as I can. And then as I do that, then hopefully it will be able to go in how I need it to. So now a little bit of an update. As you guys can see, I did try to touch this up as much as possible. It doesn't look too bad, honestly. Like when this is down and stuff and there's another sticker up here, it'll definitely look better. But that is what it looks like for now. But I think it looks pretty good. So now we just need to add another sticker over here. I think it's going to be about 2, maybe 2.5 stickers more to go around it. Well, this is the mess. There's parts everywhere. I have some random parts on my hand too of stickers. So you know, it's great. Just great big mess to clean up. Now, before you guys go, we're not done yet. We have to mail this to Connortv. What I'm gonna do is tell him to open it with his toaster.
Yes.
Alright guys, so the toaster is now on the way to Connortv. I hope I didn't forget anything in the letter or just in general. Overall, I think the toaster came out like pretty decent. Let me know down below if you guys would buy a Supreme toaster if Supreme ended up dropping one. I can actually see it happening because let's face it, anything's possible at Supreme. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys would buy a Supreme toaster if it were to release. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked the video and the toaster and everything, and something a little bit different. And Connortv, if you're watching this video, huge shout out to you. I'm a huge fan. You inspire me every single day. Keep doing what you're doing. And other than that, guys, I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.
I done been through dark times. Always find a flashlight. I'm just trying to reach the top till I know what that's like.